Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night everybody. Today the family is not feeling so good. The family is sick. Tyler didn't go to school yesterday. Well, he didn't. He also his school called him the day before yesterday. So he went only half day. He's feeling sick. His eye is crying. He have a thing in his eyes. He's a mess. He's a mess. So yeah, we give him medicine, but when the baby is sick, what you doing? You cuddle the baby, and what happening? You get sick with the baby. So everybody is sick. Sarah is not too bad, but you can feel that she's not 100%. Baby's not feeling good at all. She had a rough night too. She had a hard night. Well, I guess it's Sarah gave her a hard night. So yeah, I'm the only one that feelings okay for now. Well, magic walk is for now. They're gonna contaminate soon. Don't worry, we don't have no Chinese virus. We just have a little flu, I guess, flu and ice. So yeah. Today is the weekend. We will let's see what we're gonna do. We have a lot to do, and first of all, I started with the supermarket. Tyler's beside me. Yes, Tyler? You will party? Give me a second after you talk, okay? So it's Saturday. Nobody felt good yesterday, so we didn't go supermarket yesterday. We had to go today. We can't stay without some of these things, so I went alone. Supermarket is no fun on Saturday. It's full, it's packed, and no fun at all. And you see all of these people like, well, I had to do it. I had to get things that needed for the family because tomorrow is Sunday and we don't go supermarket on Sunday. Well, we can go if we miss something. I probably have to go because I missed something. So yeah, that's the things of going supermarket alone without nobody to tell you some things. Well, Tyler, you have something to say?
Yeah.
What you want to say? Whoop, the sick boy is here. Look at him.
Today's February.
Don't do that, Tyler.
Sarah is down there. Today's February, so almost is April.
Almost April?
Yes.
So what is in April that you want April to be?
You know, some that he loves, and there's some chocolate there.
Oh, is egg hunting?
Yeah.
You want egg hunting on April?
Yes.
Okay. So it's Easter that you're waiting for.
Yeah.
Oh, but you have to take your time. Easter's long way. You have to live on the moment. Okay, you have to enjoy every little second. Today is February. You have to enjoy February first. Okay? Every month I have something cool to give you. Okay?
Okay.
Alright, go play with the sister. Okay?
Is a little kid that's walking.
What did you say?
Is a little kid that's walking.
Okay.
No,
Alright, let's see what I get at the supermarket. I'm the only one who knows. I'm the only one who knows. You want to know what Papa get you? Nothing. But you still want to know, right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see. You want to be in? But you still have the strength to cook, because most of the time when you're sick, I was surprised to see the things turn on. I said, okay, we're going to have a pizza and something.
I don't cook. All you're going to feed me is pizza and fries. And then all this workout that I'm doing will go in vain. No thanks to your pizza and fries. But I appreciate it all. Hi guys, look at me.
What is
I
that?
have no voice, so I can't talk to you guys too long. All I'm gonna say today is,
Dad.
Happy biscuit.
Dad.
That's a bazooka.
A
A lot of trees. We want to. We need flowers. So
we need flowers.
we need green in the house.
Yes.
Palm tree, celery tree. That's celery tree.
Yes, sir.
So what you doing with that? Once you cut the leaf, then you can put the leaf in the dirt. No, that's now working like this.
I'm like
I don't have the strength for him today, so he's gonna get on my last nerve.
Oh, Papa.
The more I talk is the more my hands hurt. So I'm not even gonna look at him today. So you guys enjoy, babe.
Something in there will
This
be
is for your nose, because your nose is running. You have a big nose. Or you have like an elephant nose. We have what is that? Paper towel.
And also when we
What is that for, Tyler?
Oh, I know.
You know what is that
We
for?
take and then we build something, we take and then we play it up and last week we went up on the bottom and we went with him and we went everywhere like that.
So what you using the this for his hair?
That we are.
We need to put the camera on the toilet. Control it. Alright, put that in the toilet where it's supposed to
Can
go.
you sanitize your hand after you?
Go sanitize your hands. I guess Tyler loves filet mignon, so I get a deal of filet mignon for Tyler. Tyler will be happy. I don't know, it's written the 5.
You have white fish in there?
I have white fish.
Try to
White fish. I think I'm all of it putting it together. Yes, I'm neat when I go supermarket alone. I'm neat not like when I go with you. White fish. I find this for 1 euro something. I say for me because she says that she's gonna get fat with that. So that's only for Tyler and I. No, you just say that. You say you walk out, we'll go away. So I have to eat that alone. No? Remember, it's on camera. Some meat, that's what you wanted. Tyler, in some chicken.
Yes.
Chicken, some different type of chicken.
Yes.
And chicken tight. I love the chicken tight. I like chicken tight. Est-ce que tu as sanitized tes mains? Alors tu vas mettre ça dans les toilettes.
Love chicken what?
Chicken tight? That's chicken tight?
Chicken what?
Tight?
Chicken what? Say louder. Chicken what?
Chicken tight? No, it's not like this.
Yes, a chicken tight. What is chicken tight? Chicken thigh.
Chicken tight.
Tongue between your teeth. Thigh.
Tyler. Alright, what else we got? We got some nice yogurt for Tyler.
Yes.
Only if Tyler is nice. Oh, I have a little deal, so I take it. I start to do deal. When I see like get one, buy one, get one free, or buy two, get one free, or things like this, I say, okay, it's time to go get that. So we love this. There was no deal, so so we got cheese. So get some nice quinoa for the birds, some compote for the kids. Tyler love this. Tyler have 2 per day of compote. Orange juice. I don't know who drink the orange juice. I suspect size drinking the orange juice. And some rice, basmati. That's why you like basmati. I just have to get a big one now. Alright. Oh, that was a deal too. So I get Nutella. And it's almost finished, so that's why. 180. Not too bad. Not too bad. And that's garbage bag. Garbage bag. Garbage bag. Oh, yeah, I got 2 more like this. That was the only packet of chocolate one. I think sometimes it was some big. It was only strawberry. They put apricot. I think apricot will be like strawberry kind of jam things. Okay, Tyler. I got some milk for Sarah and some cereals for Sarah, vanilla. And what is that, Tyler?
Oh,
No, it's.
I know.
What is that?
I know.
So tell me.
No.
Okay, so I mean you don't know.
Yes, I know.
So what is it?
Cereal.
Wow. And where it's coming from? What is written on the things?
My favorite. Canada.
Obsession to Canada. Oh, Canada. Tell the Messiah. I think it's like this. Apple juice. The entire family drink apple juice and it's nice. We don't used to drink apple juice like this in Jamaica. Yeah, you used to? Okay. We got some more mushwa because a lot of cry.
And a
Milk
lot
for
of
Sarah. Yeah, 2 more.
and a lot of and a lot of crab.
Some nice bacon for breakfast. Nice breakfast. I had a nice breakfast today. Another apple juice because somebody drink apple juice in the night. Some yogurt for me. This time I decided to change. I wanted to change. And yes, it was a deal.
Papa, we got the TV. We got the TV.
I had to teach the cashier how to do. It was a new cashier, so I had to teach her her job today. She was lost. Then she asked me every time, what is that? I tell her it's called sweet potatoes. What is that? It's called gingembre. What is that? What is that? It's called cucumber. So is it the white or is it the peas? Yeah. And when it was time to pay, she was struggling. Ooh, that's cucumber. It's called cucumber. Cucumber. And if you don't eat cucumber, it's also used to slap you.
And when you don't eat cucumber, it's used to
Alright, take this side up.
and wipe your back of your bottom.
Need some green. I have some sweet peppers here. Some nice sweet peppers. Some kiwi. Hopefully they're gonna be good. I don't remember if you get this like this in the park. I think they were not too bad. I touched them before. I did like 2. I touched all of the things to make sure it's the right one. Oh, you asked me avocado. There was only 1 pack. So at least is 1. And you have 3 sweet potatoes. They're sweet like me. So you have your avocado and your other avocado. Thank you, I appreciate. Tell me I did a good job. Here was some ginger and some broccoli. And what is the last thing? What's some things that was on the list except planting? I didn't get no planting. That it should be the last item. Let's see if you're good. Look everything. What is the last item? Helping you is in the vegetables bag. What's missing?
It was on the list.
Nice. You deserve your lettuce. That's a nice reward. Lettuce rewards. That's it. Plus water, plus milk and soap and things like this. That was a nice experience going to supermarket. I recommend everybody that looks for a nice experience, go supermarket on the Saturday. If you like to shout at people, if you like all of these people just eat each other and jump. Yeah, go supermarket on Saturday. Oh, you're cooking? This is dinner. This is dinner?
That's Sarah food.
That's Sarah dinner?
Fish and string beans.
You already give some nice food like this to Sarah? Wow. A Sarah queen. Sometimes you give her like pot from the supermarket. Sometimes you give her nice fish. And some quinoa. Change myself in birds. And what is that? Some nice chicken. So it's chicken and broccoli, you say? Let's see how is the princess. Hey princess! Hey princess! Bonjour! Hey! Hey! That's your favorite move? Your footwork is great, Sarah. Your footwork is great. And that's Puppet. That's Sarah Puppet. That's Tyler. Tyler. Oh yeah, Tyler is here sick and contaminate everybody. Everybody. Sarah, you're strong. For now, you still look good. You just have a rough night, so you met mommy having a rough night. So guys, that's it. That me I just come back from sunny February. Just come back from the supermarket and oh, that's a nice spot. Just the sun on me, shine on me, and yeah. So why you laugh at me? Somebody is laughing at me. Somebody's joking at me. Somebody's alright guys, I'm gonna pack up everything and I almost didn't eat. I just have breakfast for morning, so I'm hungry now. I need to eat something very fast. I'm gonna get hungry. Well, both hungry and hungry, sure.